Holy hell. Never done one of these before. I don't know what it is. It's a buy on air. You're going to buy it on your air. Yeah. Hang on. I'm going to take you for a little walk. Just about quitting time. I've been going crazy. Been taking fans apart and everything. Why is this so jiggly? Oh, the little screw on the bottom come loose. There we go. How's that? All right? Can you see me? Okay, it's attached in 2 different places. Silicone. Lots and lots of silicone. I want to take you off. Okay, plug is off. The jig is up. You finally found me, the renegade who had it made. He was scrapping behind me. Something like that, right? Well, you know what? It's gonna make life easier. It's all going in the same bin. Yes. Yes. Lots of hydro cords. Still got a pile of stuff out there. I haven't touched the microwaves yet or anything big. I'm going easy. Just doing the light stuff that I can carry, like oscillating fans and vacuum cleaners and you name it. And yes, these are brass. I just cleaned a little plastic bit off the backside here. I might not have to do that, but I do it. And then just a little chunk. These things are poured, put in place, and then they're poured. That's how they make the stupid things. So, molded plastic. Cut this off so I can see it better. Maybe I see some nice copper already. Look at that. Woo! Could there be a motor in here? Oh, it's just a wee little dinky thing, similar to what's in your computer for keeping it cool. Well, I guess that's all it's got to do, right? Move a little air around. This is a clean air machine thing. Is that what these are? I'm not sure, but there's something in here. I'm thinking water went in here. Silicone holding in, yeah. Be lucky. Lucky answer. So yeah, we'll take that off, that's for sure. Come on. Don't be shy. Step right up. Nice little copper spool. Everybody says there's copper in these things. I've taken a few apart before. I haven't seen anything in them. Oh, stay. Okay, this is the first. I see copper. Wow. Yeah, it looks like some copper contacts. It just broke. Alrighty, this is going where it goes. In the bin. About 3:15, almost quitting time for me. Oh, my poet and didn't know it. Ain't much to these things. What's in here yet? Oh, the control panel. It's not like I'm going to put it back together, right? Plastic. Now I can see how this comes apart. There's my screwdriver. Yeah, okay. I see. This little clips. Oh, really? I'm popping you guys out and these came back in? Yeah. Okay. Try it again. Clear. Where do you go? Oh, you don't go that way. Okay. Well, that's my bad. Now you will. Right. There's a couple screws holding it in place. Well, it's just plastic now, right? Like I said, I've never taken one of these apart before. So it's all new to me. This is obviously the control panel. So it means there should be something behind you. When you screw it together, there should be a circuit board in there. Right? There we are. I knowed it. Bada boom, bada bing, what a wonderful thing. The king thinks he's the only one who works alone. Come on over, I'm all alone. Nobody here, the wife's at work, the boys at work, dogs in the house. You're not the only one working alone there, Mr. Scrap Kingdom. I don't have the wife with me every night either when we go curbside, so don't get that notion out of your head too. Some nice stuff on there, a couple motors. A chunk of, come on, extruded aluminum. I have to think of it for a sec there. That I always go after. Like I said, aluminum's plentiful. That's why it's so cheap. Ain't much holding it in either. Is that your pins or oh, those aren't your pins, so I'll have to take you out. I always pull the pins out. Don't know if they're aluminum or stainless steel or what. You know? Little piece of extruded. Well, it's about 36 degrees outside and it's 74 over here. Woo! I like it. So it happens when you put a little bit of hardwood on. Dry hardwood. I guess I should be a little more specific, shouldn't I? Okay, what is this little thing? Just a heat shield or something maybe? I'm gonna say you're stainless. Yes you are. No sticky. Cool. A piece of foam on the back of you. Oh, thank you for dropping on the floor. And you know what? I can't use my magnet to pick it up. Nobody's invented a magnet yet to pick up stainless. Somebody better hurry up. Old people and cripples like me need it, so we don't have to try and bend down and pick it up. Right? Well, these are tiny little wires. Are they even worth it? Well, my pail won't know any different. Look at that. One little piece of copper in there. Little coil. Do we get them? Well, we're here. When in Rome, do what the Romans do. What do they do? No idea. Never been to Rome. That's a weird saying. When in Rome, do what the Romans do. What happens in Vegas stays in Vegas. What the hell is up with all this shit? Alrighty, get that spring off of that wire. Need no steel in my wire bucket. Nope. Well, there's enough on there to send it in the shred bucket. So that's where it's going. Just separating the copper. And the perfect screwdriver for that. Put it in the hole. Just gotta find out which ones are coming undone. Almost need a magnifying glass here. There we go. Alright. Okay. So I find the one. Got two ends, but I don't know which one's starting it. It definitely ain't you. Ow. Rotten. Well, there's Dutch coming out of me. The Dutch upbringing. Getting those rolling R's. There we go. Something in my glove. Little spool of copper. Have to like it. Now this guy, he's so tiny, you know. We're gonna save him for later. Alrighty, we're done for the day. I'm gonna let the dog out. You can come with me while I feed the animals. Yes, all my animals get fed. There's something to do in my downtime. Right? So this guy's next. He does run. He doesn't move any air. So I couldn't even sell him if I wanted to, because it just really, you don't feel no breeze. This garage is not heated very well at night, so still gets a little cooler around here. These guys got to come in. Him and him. Oop, gotta take the blade out of you yet. Had some brass to cut. Took a sink apart this morning. The part for the drain, you can never get those apart, so I got it apart enough where I could squeeze the saw blade in between it. That worked just fine. Brass is soft enough to cut. Hang on, he's just going for a little ride. There. That's getting more fuller. That's a big garbage can. That's blasting out the heat. Put some more hardwood in here, letting it dry. That's off the truck. So there we have it. Electric motors, irony aluminum. That's what this griddle is too. Aluminum wire, cast aluminum, sheet aluminum, extruded aluminum. I call it a cast aluminum, but they call it zinc. So whatever. Circuit boards are filling up. Don't have much copper. That's it for the piping that came off the bathroom sink I took apart. Garbage cans are filling up with vacuum cleaner crap. Number 2 copper's starting to go. I'm working on number 2 5-gallon bucket. Getting there. I think we weighed that a while back, 55. It's triple nickel. So, and number 3 copper. That's burnt wire. Some of the motors I've taken apart. That's the way the wire comes out of them. I'm making a mess on my floor again. It's not too bad, but yeah. Sunshine disappeared. So we're gonna go out there and feed the animals. Take a shower, upload this video. Not necessarily in that order. There you go. Little peekaboo at the fire. Have a nice day. Enjoy your evening, afternoon, morning, wherever you are.